front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now click on Accessibility and Convenience. Tap on one-handed mode over here and click on gray switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. Unfortunately, if you are using Tricky's navigation, you can't use one-handed mode. You need to switch it to gestures. If you want to do it now, hit Settings in the pop-up, tap Gestures, choose Cancel or Learn in this pop-up, and then go back. Now click on this gray switcher and finally follow those instructions to use one-handed mode. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same no blue switcher. If you want to go back to Tricky's navigation, you need to go back. Scroll all the way down, hit System and Update, then tap on System Navigation and tap Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!